Sister, pretty sister, oh, good morning. Where were you last night? Oh, just had a meal with some colleagues, like Jean Mao. It's all for work, you know. Now we've arrived at the Yang Tower in Hunan Province. Wait a moment, we need to load an excavator. And some parts to Qinzhou City, Hunan Province. This place is fun. You can get down and wander around. Okay, get down, huh? Watch the truck. The owner is handling the excavator. The parts are being loaded by crane. No need for tarp. Peeing everywhere. Saw a dog. It started raining when we got back. Two cylinders were loaded in front. The excavator goes up from here, no need for a ladder. Climb right up, all loaded. The owner went home to get a few wooden crates, went home to fetch them. After unloading tomorrow, we still need to find a place to wash the truck. Otherwise, we can't load other cargo. Too much mud. Where's Laixi? Laixi came too and got all dirty. Eating grass again. Laixi. So dirty. Just stuff all this mess in, and we're done. You're here again. Oh, ha, Laixi. You came up. Yeah, oh. Hey, Laixi is so good. Come here, I'll pinch you. Hey, where are you running off to? Hey, Laixi, you're always bouncing around every day. Okay, done. All right, I'll tie up the iron box in the back now. Once tied, we set off. Okay, hey. Don't mess with it. I'll tie it tight. Okay, get down, let's go. Get in, let's go. Get in. Hey. Look at those two dogs. Okay, get down and play with them for a bit before we leave. Get down. Oh, they ran off. Got up. Drove 100 kilometers on the national highway. Now entering the highway at Wanjiali North, Changsha. We'll get off at Zhaoshan North, Xiangtan in a bit. The toll for this trip is about 80 yuan. The rest is just fuel. This stretch of highway is Changsha's Ring Road. Getting off the highway soon. It's getting dark again. Zhaoshan.
Approaching Zhaoshan toll station ahead.
40 kilometers. Let's see the toll. 83.6. Let them out to pee after we exit. Parking by the roadside is fine. Laifu. Laixi, get down to pee. There's a restroom over there. Go to the restroom. Coming down. Get down and go to the restroom. Doesn't know the restroom. Just do it anywhere. Perfect, park for 20 minutes. Rest a bit. GPS says fatigue driving. Almost. Oh, you went to the restroom. Hungry? Should be food ahead. Cargo without tarp is good. Rain all you want. I'm not afraid. Laixi. Let's go. Let's get some food. I'm hungry. You get all wet up there. You're not coming? Stay here then. Bye. We're leaving her here. Be a Hunan wife, okay? Hurry up, Laixi. Really not coming? Laixi. The more I call, the more you run. Coming or not? What do you want? Trying to climb up? Laixi, what are you looking for? You're quite picky, not taking this dirt road. You want the concrete road, the asphalt road, right? Go, go, go up. Laifu, Laixi, along the way, there hasn't been a suitable place to park and eat. I'll make it myself. You guys eat, okay? Change the flavor tonight. Make something else for you to eat, okay? Ah, you charged over again. Eating that rice every day isn't good. Tired of it. Lean meat with some cornstarch. Hey, hey. Light soy sauce. Hey, add some salt. Mix well. Almost ready. Laifu, wait a bit. Windy. Hello. Eating grass. Now toss in the fatty meat. Add water. What did you see? Catch a rabbit and come back. Water's about to boil. Almost done. Add some salt. Add some MSG. Pepper. Quick, quick, add some water. Wait, or it'll turn into mush again. Laifu's fallen asleep. Laixi's full of energy. It's done. It's cooked. Wow, a whole big pot. Let me scoop out my portion first. Too much. Where's my meat? Eggs. Where's my meat? Fishing for meat at the bottom. Good. The rest is for you. This is mine. Let me scoop out the noodles for you first. They'll get cold. Once they're cold, you can eat. So much today. Ah, let me taste it for you. See how it is. The noodles, eggs, and lean meat are just bland. Too much broth. Just a moment. Should be cool by now, Laixi. Hee-hee-foo. You always come running over calling for me, Laixi. Ah, okay. Eat. If you're eating, why are you pawing? I said eat. Pick up your chopsticks. Eat. Laixi seems to have no appetite. Sigh, Laifu's not eating again. Aren't you hungry every day? Fine, don't eat then. If you don't eat, I'll put in the doghouse. 1 hour to cook, 1 minute to eat. Smells good, right, Laifu? Run. We're in Lixian County, Changde today. It's Lixian County, right? In a shipyard. Loading a big piece of equipment for Yayang County. Okay, you can come down now. Ah, oops, stuck. Ah. Okay, get down, get down. Today's load is oversized, over width, over height, over length. This is a shipyard. Wow, it's huge. Looks a bit scary, huh? Looks a bit scary, huh? Let's hoist this down. This one's too tall. Get a shorter one. Flip it over. Here comes Laixi. Where's Laifu? Preparing the tank on top. It's a bit wider here, a bit tricky. Just this alley out, all narrow roads. Oh, I gotta go by feel. Go down and check. Can get through here, still plenty of room. Just worried this slope will be slippery. Made it up. Park on the side first. Call about that over-limit permit. See if it's been processed. Need it for the highway. Park here for now. Laifu, Laixi. Otherwise, I'll go get some food first. Wait, after we eat, we hit the highway. Just got the over-limit permit sorted. Wait, I'll pack some for you guys, good dogs. Pork knuckle rice. Nothing much to eat along the way. Just pork knuckle rice. Get 2 portions. Pack 1, eat 1 here. Pack a bit more rice for when we get there. Tastes good, better than what I make. And some beans. The packed ones here too. Double the happiness. Finished. Let's go. Getting dark. Laifu, Laixi. Laixi, tonight we'll just grab a meal, this one. Grab a meal, then we hit the highway. Go pee first, then eat. Go pee. Yeah, you go pee too. You're getting old. Laifu, an old man now. Hee. Laifu, empty plate every time you nudge. Haha, just a quick fix. I ate this today too. No time to make you guys food today. Smell good, Laifu? Laixi, smell good? Run. Hey. All dry, just a quick meal for now. Later I'll get you guys water. Laixi's gonna nudge over again. Haha, okay. Go eat. I'm not eating alone. I had this too. Don't be picky. It's just you two with me every day. Eat. Finished it? If not full, eat more tomorrow morning. Laixi, not eating? Had enough? Full? Okay. Left a tiny bit. Okay, you go play. We'll leave soon. Otherwise, you guys come up. Lucky, go get Lucky. Just leave Lucky here. We're leaving Lucky. Hurry up, your husband's waiting over there. Go. If you don't leave now, we're leaving you here. Hurry. Get in, Hey, Let me get you some water. Oh, morning. Jume, the beautiful one. Oh, morning. Where were you last night? Oh, just had a meal with Jean Mao and some colleagues. Yeah, it's all for work. Now we're at Yang Tower in Hunan Province. Wait a sec, we need to load an excavator and deliver some parts to Qinzhou City, Hunan Province. This place is fun. You guys can get down and wander around. Okay, get down, huh? Watch the truck. The consignee is handling the excavator. The parts are being lifted by crane. No tarp needed. Peeing everywhere. Saw a dog. It's raining when I get back. Ah, 2 cylinders loaded up front. That excavator goes on from here. No need for the ladder. Climb right on. All loaded. The consignee went home to get some wood crates. Went home to fetch them. See, after unloading tomorrow, we still need to find a place to wash the truck. Otherwise, we can't load other cargo. Too much mud. Where's Laixi? Ah, Laixi's here too. And got all dirty. Eating grass again. Laixi. So dirty. Stuff all this mess in, and we're done. You're back again. Ouch, huh? Laixi, you're up. Right on, ouch. Hey, Laixi's so good. Let me pinch you. Hey, where are you running off to? Hey, hee. Laixi, you're always bouncing around. Okay, done. Good. Now I'll tie down the back metal box. Once it's tied, we set off. Good. Hey. Don't mess with it. I'll tighten it. Okay, get down. We're leaving. Ah, get in. Let's go. Get in. Hey. Look at those 2 dogs. Okay, let's go down and play with them before we leave. Okay, down. Oh, they ran. Ha, up we go. Drove 100 kilometers on the national highway. Now entering the expressway at Changsha's Wanli North. In a bit, we'll exit at Zhaoshan North and Shantan. This trip's toll is around $80. The rest is just gas money. This stretch is Changsha's Ring Road. Getting off the expressway now. It's getting dark again. Zhaoshan.
Approaching Zhaoshan toll station ahead.
40 kilometers. Let's see the toll. 83.6. Off the expressway. Let's get them out to pee. Parking by the roadside is perfect. Laifu. Laixi, get down to pee. There's a public restroom over there. Go to the restroom to pee. Ah, you're down. Get down and go to the restroom. Doesn't know the restroom, just pees anywhere. Perfect, park for 20 minutes, rest the GPS. Almost fatigued driving. Oh, you went to the restroom. Hungry? There should be food ahead. This uncovered cargo is great. No matter how hard it rains, I'm not scared, Laixi. Let's go get some food. I'm starving. You get all wet up there. You're not coming? Fine, stay here then. Bye. We're leaving her here. Be a Hunan wife, okay? Hurry up, Laixi. Really not coming, Laixi? The more I call, the more you run. Coming or not? What do you want? Trying to climb up? Laixi, what are you looking for? You're quite picky, won't walk on this dirt road. You only walk on concrete, on asphalt, right? Go, go, go up. Laifu, Laixi, there hasn't been any suitable parking spot to eat along the way. I'll make it myself. You guys eat, okay? Let's change it up tonight. I'll make something else for you to eat, all right? Ah, you're charging over again. Eating that rice every day isn't good. You're sick of it. Lean meat, add some cornstarch. Hey. Light soy sauce. Hey, add some salt, mix well. It'll be ready soon. Laifu, wait a bit. Windy. Hello. Eating grass. Now toss the fatty meat in. Add water. What do you see? Catch the rabbit and come back. The water's about to boil, almost ready. Add some salt. Add some MSG. Pepper. Quick, add some water. Wait, or it'll turn into a pot of mush again. Laifu's asleep. Laixi's full of energy. It's dried out. Done. Oh wow, a huge pot. Let me scoop out my portion first. Added too much. Where's my meat? Eggs, where's my meat? Fishing for meat at the bottom. Okay, the rest is for you. This is mine. Let me scoop the noodles out for you first. They'll get cold. Once they're cold, you can eat. Too much today. Ah, let me taste it for you. See how it is. It's just the noodles, eggs, and lean meat are bland. Too much broth. Wait a sec. Should be cold now, Laixi. Hee-hee-foo. You always run over and call me Laixi. All right. Eat. If you're eating, why are you digging? I'm telling you to eat. Pick up your chopsticks. Eat. Laixi seems like he has no appetite. Sigh, Laifu's not eating again. Aren't you hungry every day? Fine, don't eat then. If you don't eat, I'll put in the doghouse. Cooking for an hour, eating in a minute.